Welcome, friends. We're here today to unravel the mysteries of product characteristics and their role in shaping supply chain objectives. As we all know, the supply chain is the vital pulse of any business, keeping products flowing smoothly from supplier to customer. But here's the catch: different products trickle or hurdle through this flow at remarkably different beats, all depending on their peculiar characteristics. Think consumer products like food, beverages, and clothing, fast-paced, right? They're like the sprinters of the supply chain with their short shelf life demanding rapid replacement. Compare that to the marathon run of industrial products such as machinery and equipment. Steady and leisurely, their longer shelf life brings a different tone to the supply chain symphony. I like to think of these items as the tortoises of the chain. So it's clear that a keen grasp of your product's quirks and whimsies will enable you to craft targeted supply chain strategies, ensuring your customers get what they value: the right product at the right time and at the right price. Brilliant, isn't it?